no, ya no, Akula. Pues al remando viera. Y a todas, que ya no se te haga su nombre. A ver, vamos a ver, no que no vio, ojo, ni veo. Siempre llevando y llevan, cosa mucha manilla. La cosa manilla gaga, agua de mando y man. Me practique manilla que, sola ni manilla gaga. Practique mando y man. Dica mando y man, cosa ni manilla que, cosa ni manilla gaga, guario, guario, ni yeto. La toma no man, guario, guario, calunario, guario. A tu gana, que haga, una onda. Lleva para mani que tú, anana vista mando y anana que mamá ni mujer. Para para ni yo capaz, un nuevo animal ya que, WhatsApp, ni me anda con para no, lleva que amani ya gaga. Oh, you me gana la manita, y la buena, oh, mira, la luz me ya bueno, y para hacerle papá, tagalle, pero, Ayaga you mother where I do one. Yapa era, you man era. Ni wa ya, ya le wi bi wa. Wa da kwa da kwa ni mega ni yo da kwa ya kwa da kwa bi ma. Ma bi pe e lo ya je na kwa da ba ga yo wa. E ba de no ga o wa ka na na. E mo de yo. E ti ke ma no yo. O da na ni ya je. Ma wo de ma le bo tu ni. Na ya ni la la so wa. Para de yo ni na ye kwa na ba ma de ya. Sit down here. Sit down here. Sit down here. Tell them the truth. I'm coming. I'm coming. Yes, so my people, honey, sweetheart, I want to broadcast, so you go to the parlor. Okay? Go and watch your cartoon. I'm coming now. 2 sweets. Yes, my people. Una no say, ere mo ya ta we. Na gbe ma wu ne amu fi epo. Na gbe ma wu ne amu fi epo. Wo ya me tebe na. Ibi e do nu somo. Share this video. God, you know your basaki. Share this video. I get sent. Now I have to man where Emilia Fefe no mama, my beg ya be don't pay. But not this one luena. My email mu the man the time where oh be boy. We don't some what am yo. I don't wear. Not telling my mama, your house and the friend was going on. Then I asked the security man what happened. He said some boys came. Don't worry, let me show you a picture, a video that Godwin Obaseki, no win your Obiu Bolorotedo, a bomb plant a bomb, all the Agbele opponents, all the Agbele APC normal. Gay, and at a why can God do this way where do they can anything of your hanging? You may mean or I'm your leg. If you have to do some more, I also do not want this to return into politics again. That why can God do it? One Love Foundation is here to be on the side of anybody. It's not about taking side of anybody, it's about stopping this menace, stopping this barbaric acts. Because if it happened to me today, it will happen to you tomorrow. So, who is next to be targeted? Who is next to be targeted? Is it Ultimate Equal? Is it president of One Love Foundation? Is it my father? Is it my mother? Is it my children? So, those who are on social media, those who are cashing in on this act, should please desist from it. Yes. Please Abad, go resist from it, Abad Obase. We are peaceful people. At those states, when you have the time of NCSC, the time of UPN or MPN, we
all eat and dine together. I am a Democrat. At a particular time, my wife is a Republican. So we all can live together. We can disagree and agree. This is where the bomb exploded. You can imagine if the bomb explodes there on your head, what would be? What would be?
If you have to do something, where I mean, you have to do one, you all we are going where a god will even more no be. Emo mokbia, emo moku, ekia Mario Molade no be or no gion. Or I believe ego dao, egi yeke. A godwini. No viago, ima when matam, I don't when atam where Venica be the video versi where era ago or can betray that donor. Godwin or egba anywhere. Am I send you where? Godwin had to work in a kinwajeni. Again, governor. Edo State governor gain. Edo State governor gain. Why can't you embrace your gain? Why are you jelly gain in Edo State? Why are you putting gay in prison? Why are you jelly lesbian in your state? Game governor. Gakidondo.
Stopping these menace. Stopping this barbaric acts. Because if it happened to me today, it will happen to you tomorrow. So, who is next to be targeted? Who is next to be targeted? Is it Ultimate Equal? Is it President of One Love Foundation? Is it my father? Is it my mother? Is it my children? So, those who are on social media, those who are cashing in on this act, should please desist from it. Should please desist from it.
They don't want to know.
Because enough is enough. We are peaceful people. At those State, when you have the time of NCSC, the time of UPN or MPN, we all eat and dine together. I am a Democrat. At a particular time, my wife is a Republican. So we all can live together. We can disagree and agree. This is where the bomb exploded.
Look.
You can imagine if the bomb explodes there on your head, what would be? What would be? We thank God that no lives were lost. But we must do something before any life can be lost. Please, I plead with you all to put these political differences aside and think for once that we have to be a Nigerian. We have to be a Edo citizen before being a politician. A word is enough for the wise. Please, I beg you all, let us all come together and put an end to this. We can disagree and agree. It is human to disagree and agree. But it is inhuman to mail, to threaten, to kill to the extent of using bomb. Oba Tope.
If you don't do some more, Wabere Godwin Igore. Era ago when you catch see the video me ago bedo to you tomorrow you may vie yogo oba ovora me nera betrayed in the name of Ugebeyaka. Obaseki obiedo if you don't know some more Obaseki obiedo odogoredo do wawo no abijima the day mama era wa investigate wa on se monogo wa gona Obiago Obibo etu eja no ga redo na ekiojuku kere okojuku kere ibigbo ni ga adu ekibe dono Obari mata ma ewo pe ani no du ekini wa ya ta ma ri yan se ki o Giyan so ni ni yare ibi edo wa mi o no ngwe ni be chief tatoa always chief na hin o answer ni be doa error because why is a demon name. Just like even Judah, even better pass that name. Judah, even better pass Obaseki in Benin. If you don't know someone, even in time one a Godwin no be Obaseki. Okpenoke do, Okpenoke nya, eriyan gberiyan mu. If you don't even that man where egoe or sene. No Baseki ayareni Game on the lecon. Obaseki, when nobody should do rally in Benin, as I'm talking to you now, rally is going on at Edo Central. You are a mumu, you are a mugu. Game, game it down. You are where you war. We face where you game. A spemo who will work, but our can we contract. We get to your central bank here. Where God will know your Obaseki. We will torpedoes you. You are not coming back. Edo is already promised you that you are not coming back. Godwin, you are not coming back. Believe Edo people. Can you succeed this crowd? Listen. Crowd, get crowd. People when you they gather, when you they go talk to. All those one are people when you want wake. But I want to tell you, say, all the politicians that represent the 18 local governments. What? In Edo State, all is here. Godwin. Oh, Hota. Godwin, no, Obiago. Godwin, in Obiago. Who baby no pa? Monastani, when I tell my one, who women no pa? Who women no pa? Or for him, who were politics. Or for him, who were game, let key. How we down in here? If you say let key or phone working, Obaseki. If you say let key or phone working, those politicians, they cover their face, continue look at you as a useless man, you with abats and with your crook, with that Ogezua, that PDP, and with one kind of useless person who control you inside there again, when you call your vice, feeling Shaibu. Shaibu, see the war when you caused for inside school for a lot of years ago, it never finished. Shaibu, the war when you caused as a name of Kofra, Shaibu is the person that disturbed Kofra in Benin. Shaibu is the person that creates confraternity in Benin. Because why? He was in Auchi, he was in if you can see now, you can see that Shaibu is the one that mobilized us. Obaseki swan vie populado makata mawa 2018-2019 when Obaseki training ma buwo kita baraki buwo abodo. If you Fulani no training with bomb and everything. If you do, mama ta mawa, mama pa mawa, mama ta mawa. Obaseki swan feel a bomb in there. E Fulani bele wo kene wo edo. Why you take for plus 4 alone? Why you take for plus 4 alone? Abi Obaseki agbele wo ya fefe lo do wa bupo. Ogbele yafo. Obaseki when it time we o for in any game like that. In any game for inside the politics. EPM, the next level. They say make I tell you say you be picking where they suck breasts for inside politics game. Believe me, that is the message they send for you. They say make I tell you say, look ahead.
As part of this, to escalate the crisis, we are waiting for them. We are waiting for them. Whether he calls himself national chairman of a party or not, let me see. If he is truly who he is, let him come to this stage again to say he wants to come and run the rally and cause disruption.
Obaseki, we magba. Rally, they go, it take place for Edo Central. Obaseki, again. Oba bere game. Espe mi regbe. Espe mori ku. Oma ele egbe de. Èmi orí ku ono láti ave gbe ku ono me yo pe amose. Oba bere imose e pe no mo ku wa. Oba bere imose e wa re Godwin. We don't do that to Muse wa be. Wa be unwe. Wa be unwe anwe yi unwe bush lion. Wa be unwe pasekia. Ma de ore bush lion ma wa de already. Ore bush lion ma wa de. I will talk pito bush lion physical and spiritual. Already wa de obopa. Wa be unwe pasekia. Ge unwe game. Wa be unwe game. Wabere, I will not you well again. Not you where this is politics. No time away where this is how politics run. No time away where but politics. See how is sweet. See how is rough. Now you the point on. Obaseki, that one figure you point, the rest you fought is going back to you in Jesus' name. You will destroy Obaseki. You are nothing but nothing. Edo, wama ovia goa. Ago, wama eve doa. Wama usa no doa. Wama usa na Obaseki do. Obaseki, if I don't give you chance, pass like this. I give you 1 month. This February when we enter so, use and operate. Make it close to 2 to 3 months to the election. You go know who be EPM. See what it now they give you message. Make you they listen for what it they tell you. They don't get your time now. Then they settle. Then they make the politics heavy for home. Then they make it heavy because why you be boy? You be boy when we say if they lay they suck breast. You shall be shoot gun. This one what you they do now. Lucky we don't do a pass or Obaseki. This one what you they do so lucky we don't do a pass. Lucky we don't step up pass of full those states, but peace still there. Ogun bue, ogun ba bue, ogun fora mo bue. Never can betrayed. Obaseki, who will be me? I know mo ye Kenya. When you want to see a dogoto, I saw us you again. When they are when you can see a dogoto, when I will be baby, I saw us you to go Obiago. I saw us you to go Obiago. I saw us you to go to Bano. When you mommy me buena, I will be me mommy Kenya. Unless you are me away, unless I am you bonwe, nula. Una we do lie kere no abede na ya su obora me. Nu be ya su edo. Uwa yu nwe ki oye. Uwa yu nwe ki oye. Uwa kelebe. Ede bi akoro du no de. Ede bi akoro du no de Obaseki. Aga ye be na wo tedo. Aga ye be na wo tedo. E bombi no ga bu awon ma e bombi no ga do mu e yo wa. Awon ma e bombi no ga do mu e yo wa Obaseki. E me bombo ga bu e. Ku wa ki yo we. Iyo ki yo we. E me mo ga la we be. Uga papa wo. Aga be ha su e. Obaseki, no ya we gbokpa VPN. No ya we gbokpa we innocent poor citizen edo. Obaseki, wa mi no sun that way. I wish Moto bi me, what the leakage of that batting wa. Moto bi me, what the leakage you ore mo ya fefe no stick e God no Obaseki ni mo wa vie la dia. Ya vie la dia bi o we bo, I will dey Nigeria there. I will dey Nigeria. No worry. Obaseki, when you were on Wedo, I have a time where ga, a nerakado, Oliye Kemwedo, nerakado, Agonera, no, your Obaseki, Oliye Kemwedo, no, we are you here, no. Understand? I come back Obaseki, Godwini, I come back. We believe Edo wa ti kon baba no every hour. Edo wa ti kon baba no. Iye kon era, ave de akon egbe we no nu dani ave do kan we. Obaseki egba enu e wa so egba enu e wa van. Iwe I dey only tell you say make it close to the time say 2 to 3 months election. Obaseki whether you sabi hunt to we go know that time. Whether all those your boys when you train now, whether that's a big hunter, you go see and say There was a man hunting for that time before your boys when you train 2018-19 before they grow up. There was early man hunting. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Carry the junior Agberu. Make the fight the senior Agberu. We go tell you say we will be the senior Agberu where our brain, where the one where you train, where their senses, their memory, their character for stop. Now there the senior Agberu and then they for continue. If you talk of gun, if you talk of same bros, a man nigga wa gion one hour gion over yala. Also you want to talk same and say you be this. Una, we support God, do not pass like the bomb do. Bushla, I don't see you here. Bros, if me I want prepared that way. I don't confirm your picture. He beg a well. I just guy, you know say you are a computer wizard, go to your room. Go to your computer room. Me and you, when you come away and amigo the lie, I tell you. All your word you say, imagine to the Nigeria ya beat you do Horoka bien, Amakane, war money. Bet my guy. God do not pass like matter. Me and you. Anybody will not put better word. Guy, when you no pass like you sabi cause let's challenge with cause. I tell you now say this 2020 na fire. God do not pass like don't teach those people how to bomb. About last 2 weeks, let me look if this picture was here. Last 2 weeks, I bring some picture come out. They discover bomb. All those Fulani bombs they do. Obaseki he not get what he talk puts. He not get one word when he hover put say, hey, those people we don't need them. We don't know say he don't they practice with them. If they don't give a man say my guy, may you not worry for this election we go help you work. See, everybody the was the guy, I'm push like you, maybe I won't be again. I'm I don't he didn't work. And the more with the house, he is a body, he is a body, physical and spiritual. He is a bear of you know what you're about when the do I am my okay. I'm still listening to the Bekaniki, it's less than one bossy, no Wally go. So no, we go. May I show you this picture? May I find this picture show you? Mana Soladena we Bob. A Boko Haram don't they plant bomb for our land. Am I one of my time, save there my time. Am I Bob? Una don't ready. Say na them I want use. Bros, before I use them, Bini, we know how to shoot guy. We don't be Yoruba where they say they shit for us. Where they say they clap and follow for here. You know, see as it happened for Benin that day, as the key one, then Benin retaliates. That is how we are. Don't fuck with the warrior where they're built with everything. Don't fuck with us. If you fuck with us, you go down. That is how we know. If you kill one, we're going to kill two. Godwin, if you kill one person for inside APC, the next level, EPM, Godwin, your own don't finish. Thank God, say, Donald Trump, the model good president in the world now, number one good president in the world now, he has banned travel bans, all those politicians. Not be innocent citizen, politician. Now, since you say you know they come out for them, thank God say, I trust my people. God, God do know we are go. Umayend the story of Edo. You know, everyone believe in us. Say you have DSS, you have SSS, you have SAS, you have what's so called EFCC, you have military, you have Attorney General that control Edo State. I want to let you know, say those guys, when Boko Haram they exist now, they destroy with the key they go. Waiting Attorney General top put. Army when you get, waiting the top put. Army of Nigeria, where we say, man, if they collect federal money, it never fit fight. Talk like say the one where you depend on that Benin, where we say, you don't they chop at the nyam tete, you don't want that. Papa they for out there. Guy, God winning. When I am bambu, why are you believe you pay one? e ma no ma support we wa be you are Godwin no be ago era dem betrayal we do era no ho ma baba ya baba we do una go le mare imaka problem me mare on say we will continue and we will continue letting the world know say it's a mistake how Godwin unfortunately be the governor of Edo State. Is a mistake, bigger mistake. Godwin is not qualified to be the governor. He's not qualified to even be the deputy. Talk less a governor. But based of respect of our father, that no say, let's try our son before you try others inside the party. If not, God, who are you? I am Phyllis Shaibu. Phyllis Shaibu, how where? If Oshobo let this one to fight Godfather, now all those Godfather will destroy Edo for long years. You know this one to beat your leader that breastfed you, and then you for made mistake. Believe me. Now you for made mistake, and the mistake is very big. I want to let you know, say, share this video. God, Obaseki is a bastard, and remain a bastard. He remain a bastard. He can be bastard forever in Edo land. Godwin, get that from SMM. We don't even Edo, the traditional land, they don't even value your father's name in that land. That is why I changed my name. When I was a 6 years, 7 years, I changed my name. My father gave me Obaseki. I said, no, John the Baptist, that baptized Jesus Christ, that will be on me. Because why a betrayer here God doing? A betrayer, who wake in Wakes were betrayer. Or when a Pedro, no, your cause, your brother, had to betray the head of Dupom. No, go back, a Godwin. No, go back, boy. If now you that put the key of that land for your hand, they not put these people, the innocent poor citizens that say the truth, they not put their key for your hand. God, when you are die, America is very far for you now. European is very far for you now because where your commissioner of art and culture is in prison on the name of say Luti Edo State money, Edo State treasury. $2 million, $2.something million plus is in fresh government hand. In the name of say, when I want to stay, when I go carry and go hide. Unfortunately, he enter another people hand, Babylon. He enter Babylon hand, they cover him. Now just see Godwin cry come out. How many people cry come and say, Mona bring that money, oh? How many? Godwin will still come out, they threaten our people, they plant bomb for our people's house. They threaten say want to kill the national chairman. Godwin! Ukpo we fun oseke. Ukpo we fun Godwin. No we ago. Ago no betray that door. Obaseki no betray that door. No betray the foramen. Do not say our king in the name of come on mirror. Come on mirror. Now you just say our king. Mirror, Godwin, your family. Una son has been trade. Now problem we go trade for that land. That land. The calamity you people have caused for long years ago when we will not bury our king for our land. The calamity will follow your generation. The calamity is already in your door. That is why people praise you. Look, for 4 years when you say you the rule now, 2 years, they don't start to complain, say you are not doing well. But you know, say the calamity your father have caused is already descend on you. It's already descend on you. Osa ojo ogie, SNG. But where Arigo, who there? I don't know if I find where I'm going to be or one. Why are you with the politics? Why your basaki no boy agbele man wa pass with the politics o Saudi ogi except to the governor. E post ni eri pa wa de wa hu emelu no keke. Why women men no keke? May you remember say those the kabaka where you dey fight, those the Osakama no molest where you dey fight, those the Mariabe, those the Jabu, those the Mesansi where you dey fight, they senior you for game, and they will continue senior you for game. Guy, you do nothing. Godwin, continue planting your useless bomb. Wohai sagbena, guave bewe umomonia. Ekia we mighty ho, a mighty mo mighty ne, mighty we mi no pa. Agbo be adult na no mighty adult. Agbo be iye we planning na ke mighty who Godwin. No wa betu agenu je ge. Edio ma no ma ne ge. It didn't make your God in my place now bring the picture come out. Edio ma no ma ne ge. Imwe picture wala there. When you ready you go say na imwe picture wala there. Imwe picture is exam wala there. Guy, e go na vie. Wa guy. Abege ya. Guy, e go na vie. Wa bege. Wa a crowd. Ona lele Buhari are United Nations. Guy ona vie governor wa guy. Guy, abege ya. Wa bege ya ke Godwin. No ho wa maso wa bege ya. See people, may I show you people where they fight. The God sent people. The God sent. See person where they fight. This one yesterday. He did with Buhari. He go submit Hope. Senator Hope. Imo State Governor. He go submit her to Buhari. Say, Baba, look at waiting. See him. May I show her where you see her? Where you see her? You see her with Baba then. You see her who were Kolo a Godwin. A Godwin who Kolo. You see her? You see the small but mighty? Godwin. You say you finish all those people when we say Godwin. See your KBC. See your KBC Oba where you go lie down for. See her. Upon see your KBC. I say get ready to go and meet KBC. Ogwamba Ogboe, Ogwendo Ogboe. Of your neck with Ogboe Godwin. Okonu wonu see Edoni. Okonu why you and why you when you go? Why you when Babebo? Where? Olokunu yoko Olokunu sabo Ogboe. Oga tie we Godwin pẹ̀lú ke gbelivi yen. Oga tie we Godwin. Where? Get on here, this is Godwin. Wabega ya. Everywhere we talk, Godwin. This is Godwin. Wabega. This is Godwin. Obaseki ago. Why you nika? Are we a PDP kere? Are we a PDP? You're a leader. Now is endorsing all the PDP. May they give a ticket. But it's conscience many when we see where the PDP, they don't say na evil, na demon, na saputoa. He's a green snake under the green grass. Now they so want to cut him in lala. You get no level. Don't come here, okay? Oh, no, you're PDP, or not PC. Get the other way. A Godwin, no, go. You know, lala, go away. Ayalaya, Abolosi, Godwin, you see, fine man, people that suffer to make sure say they build the politics of Edo. People that suffer to make sure say Edo politics no killing. Like all those your Lagos KBC killing. See, you see a man, fine man, a man with peace, a man with wisdom, a man with knowledge, understanding is going to move Edo forward. Godwin, you go nowhere. No, he depend you. Wow, why Godwin? Where he didn't know. You will see. na huredo owe okowe uwoko wolo na hu. If I don't know where they will wake up on you. But the national everywhere don't they wake up on you. Now only those states remain need they wake up on you. Where a gay governor. A gay governor, you are playing with a Muslim man. A gay governor. Wow. Oh, see the person you are playing with. A man that bring you to say bread is very sweet, come and eat. A man that say this is sweet, is very sweet, come and eat. This is the person you turn against him. You say you want to kill him. Because why? You are the Bini. That is not. If you say let's investigate. Osomole is 100% blood of Bini. You are a 100% blood of Igbo. Obaseki, you are a 100% blood of Igbo and Yoruba. Osomole is 100% blood of Bini. Wow, wow, mason. Wow, wow. Gay, give me no mama. Wow, bell. Gay. Ale papa na here boa. You see their papa there. Then they come for you. Umaemie. You know what made them cool down? Anyone act this time around, you go use police to go put them for local prison. Let me call of them cool down. Enigbina ya prepare. Oga. Now say the election few days to election, few months to election. And then you will not say Bini, it not be like Lagos. Bini, they be warrior on their own. Godwin, you don't fair experience of kind. Even before they put you for power, those people when you are fighting so, Emmanuel Wale leg bin on there. Iyake domu where you put when you are bin on there. Apart, forget where Osomule. Yeah, and that's where you have to be the next. Where make binani analysis here is jamu bina. You don't know. Kabaka to boy, he walk inside stage you go one or do say if you not come out, he go one inside jamu say if you not come out for hand for this election. No make a win. A lot of people know that. Where when I do Latin, when my affair win and we have your who worry and say Godwin, no we are go. Godwin, no we are go. Who worry and say Godwin, no can betray the donor, can betray the Obaseki. Who worry and say, guy, you will see him. Do one and say, EPO and say, APC. You are not APC. You will claim APC. You can wear, hey, talk back. You be APC, talk back. Person will want to give you tickets, they not support you. People who say they hold the ground, they not support you. People where they support you now this under the mango tree, I say must they say under the mango tree. He are not supporting you none here. They better no go one mama get one ave pani. Not that way I will endorse you. PFM is already on this. Mega Comrades is already on this. Our brother. The coming next level to governor will come out this motherfucker out of the road. We are already on desert land. That is Osage Ize Yamu. Believe me. We are already on desert land. EPM take on, PFM take on. I want to see talk about where we are day. The level we want to get. We want to beat EPM, beat the good Edo people, beat PFM. I want to see them. Talk your own, make I talk your own. But if you plant bomb, you kill one person, they are going to kill 10 on your own. And if they want to kill, they will select. I know my people. They know the people you bring from outside to come and be doing this rubbish. And they know where they is, man. They are in the bypass. They are in the Ogida barrack when you train them. If my people want to go there and do their mission, I trust them. One love to my people. God move your hand with me. You dey suck breast for where Edo political actors stay. You dey suck breast, God will Obaseki. You dey suck breast for where Isaiah Jamu dey. You dey suck breast for where Comrade Adam Aliyu, the APC national chairman, Shomole. You dey suck breast. You and your deputy feeling shaibo. Small pikin wey don dey tear high for oil money. Don dey build filling station full everywhere. He don dey build he and his wife dem dey build filling station full everywhere because why? They don depend in oil money. You think say me as that our baba wey we fit throw away give, as you sit down for that oil, you go get chance to come. Guy, let the governor of Orion, let it come out from Orion first. Let the governor, let us receive her from Orion first. It's already on the board. That is Osage Izeyamu. For real, you as a strange person, I wonder why they accept you easily. But what made those things really come true? This is the person you are fighting. So Adama Shomole made that dream come true for you to shop that 4 years. Bros, well, let me go. If not Adama Shomole, I am where God will not say, why yo ya ye pele mo mi gbadu wa ya wule lita le ke wa ke ba we wule le ko ke wa ke ba ko we are America but now no bele we have travel band yo ne we awo jin warani wa ti do drive America e bomb nu wa floni we do ni wa ti do feel America wa gbe o Godwin wo ya le we akaro ni governor di we do ni wo the first governor no run we do ni. Well, the first and the last way we don't know a betrayal no era Orion. I thought when Pedro talk fight you. And the way Pedro said to manai. Omamwe EBS nene, Umahi BS ne Pedro ke you ye gwere. Till tomorrow you fight we oviera bijue. Or you fight we. Because why you are a evil game man. You are an evil that when somebody help, it will pass back and bring a stab knife to start to stab that person. That is how you are, man. That is how you is, man. But I do it when I'm wait 4 years you will show me the way. Guy, can kabakaje, can the main mobilizing soldier of the youth to larger well guy. On a yes, you have seen a woman. Near see one, and about his own way. I see a woman wagyu the Fulani militants in the Ria Port de Ria Sweep Baba de show Baba at Wayana Villa Street. Why? Who was the woman who told I see the woman who see the way? Oh, Mudia. When you are happy, I see the woman. He told yes, he get all the way. Oh, yes, he woman. But a papa and a papa to the report. If you are oh, yes, he woman. He told yes, he get all the way. Oh, yes, he and the papa ya demo. And the papa ya demo, the comrades. The national chairman of all progressive parties, you know, he had them. Who are Papa play? Every day you are going, my ear play. Who are my dear? Who wants to see the God if you know one on one and one? Who are dear? Who wants to see the God if you know one on one and one? Wow, mason. Gay, about get what a baba to say the governor. All of now, una breastfeed for Osomole hand. When I wear it, you wear me. Osomole don't work in South Africa. He cross you, he buy house for, he give you money to take builders. If not, who be you about? You go kofra waya bowa. You go kofra. Waya bowa there. He bring you come out for the suffering where you go. Oh, we are telling you, you go to South Africa. Near enough. We are telling you, where is the man liar? Unke ba wewe guy awu we wonu kele to le nu ajo wa do deba ayati e wewe wonu we edu wa so abeyo wa deba Godwin no bia go so abeyo ela o unwa wa ya mu wa ma akora akwere yo nwenwe esiasolo eti koni omagba akati e iwa hu ma ise go iwa hu the old world will come and listen where yes wana gelene plan. A plan in Wamenin. Get water with the second rally. Bere. And I can water with the second rally. They're still quiet. EPM still quiet. Because why? See people when I want to say, I want to go to disturb. Crowds. You see crowds. You see crowds. About we are like we are like then you are going to governor, we are like we are like then when you are going fear go let you say you want open man. When they okona that I honor that soon. Ana we kabaka one go tomorrow one go kabaka I don't go for us. Okay, you know the people where they inside you. You know now, you know the people where they inside you. See, those crowds so who's one about get level pass. God will not get level, Shaib will not get level, talk less, say, Abbas. Eh? He not get, see, you see the crowd. Now those crowd, they say you want beats. He's a Yamu, he's a mobilizing soldier right from the war. If not be, you don't see, I say, even when Adamalio Shomule, when he was a seat, Dio Benin, even both the traditional ruler, many still confirm and say they robbed that election. He said, Yamuna winner. You hear where one native daughter from Yoruba land, they talk that they say, Obaseki, not be winner. They rob and I make a politics made daga today. They rob people, give it to Obaseki. They rob the post, that's Obaseki. That is why Obaseki gave administration. There is a lot of wuru. Because why? Somebody rob people and give it to him. Unfortunately, it's never too late. The head has never cut off. He realized the mistake, say, if I give this man hand pass like this man, where they come burn everything for the state, so if I give this man hand, if I give her hand pass like this man, he go go, even we go now, where he want go again, a palace. Because now there father fell go palace, betrayed our Oba, based on the trust where our Oba get for us, say, make sure say you take care of foreigner. Whatever message that come for foreigner, handle it. Because you are a businessman. Those foreigners, those whites, they want to come and trade with us, trade by barter. From there, so they bring mirror come inside the trade. Because of mirror. You turn a door, you betray the door. You betray the door. You betray the door. That is your father. Now, this time around, you say, now you, this mumu. Una see the mumu governor. Una see mumu where they sleep. Mumu where they fight when we not go film win. Una see mumu una see mumu where they fight una see mumu una see mumu where they sleep. Mumu where not get level. It is say it get level. Una see mumu where not get level. He prepare the young boy. Guy. He prepared the young boy got doing. Every time. Guy, that's why Papa Sonny Akuya do. Wabere. Wage former Attorney General of Edo State near office of near Yazaga. If you check out where you see and say now those pompation. Now they hold for hand. Those pompation so. See those are politician pompation. You see that? Those are political pompation. Abasaki, you are a liar. God will deal with you. We go deal with you. See, this one where you bring, if not be Osomule, who know this one at all? Now the more feed that's why. If not be Osomule, who know this man? Make na mumu where they grace, big mumu where they grace. Now una be if not be Osomule. If not be Osomula, who know this motherfucker? Who know him? Who know him? And yeah, his brother for betrayed our former mother. This place here, it catch our former mother around there. Our former mother they go for front. He go down. Just where like Gagwan. We turn it. Mumuna or Gemina or 10 camera mune. If I want to say, this mumu, ave mumuna gay, a kayana make ben of your kid, large kid, mumu, papa way mumu, akia, ya is a buevo Gemini, a ten original winning, gap, ya navigo, that do well, at where tea, go to Orion, Yokorion, have you go. Or asked. The no one that we wanna. I went to say 1 year and that's almost look at me now, flare. I quick private jet here. Wow, mumu. See the two mumu. See the two mumu. And I never be barrier. Or moja. Or barrier. Or moja. Okay. Okay. Even when you ate me, one of the Mofi, he ate when you are Tia, Yadwigom, Amaria Webo, Aya Lagore, or Tio, or Ya Lagore. First of all, I can be barely a bottion, no ya walk Tio, and not a free trusting you, Vade. A got to know about the key where or Bono. Yeah, when you end where they are, we go in the end, we're chief of staff for there. On one we go, oh yeah, we need because a secret. Also, now, Beburu gay. Oh, now, Beburu gay. Go on, I tell you, I introduce in Agania or Pamago, Tower de gay. Those are the people, gay. Obey a chief of staff. This is God, do not pass a chief of staff, sure. In your arrow or Balago, sure. In your arrow. This man, this Tao, this Yoruba man, when they loot up Edo State money, go they hide for Chinchang. He and what's so called Osaze Demigere Ero. Osevigero, sorry. Okay. Here about Bam we go, the chief of staff again. Okay. On Amwe ya love the Lord Bagale Gossi. Ye man love you. We will compete on you people. After what was one, what the regime is a very useless regime. If now you were born, what might you say? Gemania Yami Bayami Bewoge. Avec Bobian. Give Bobian on the social media. Gay. Give Bobian. No, that's social media, on the Mofite when you at when you allow when you hear Fay, near Estelas, near Fia Manica back there, no ye majesty by, no ya warrior Shomule, bros, one noir, not a bath, and then bath, when it. Then I have sister, it's less ye go away better, my back when I am, we are some could be, or ye see go away better. Oh yes, but we're ready. If we are ready, why don't Tower Bob? The one country fall, EPM, we be saying, Papa God don't build for many years ago. Oh, for what? Oh, was sorry. Oh, was sorry, rien. A plan in here, here we are. Watch your water. A Facebook will be fire. What day? Okay, today. The soul of the tiger and the lion combine. Sit down, they wait to now. Bomb music. And vocalist, I will sit down and focus. My mega is up. My PFS soldier gay and drummer farmer is under there. My PFS machinery that I'm building is under me. They are there. We will deal with you people. Because why? Oji wami. Oji. Ene jurobu oji wahi. Oji. Emi nuwa bako ewa onu wadoro. God will not baseki, no be a baseki. Emi no mako yedo. no somule te woni emu we all you will be undo raw weti roy dalai. God bless you everyone. Make I leave this video for now because where many I feel see some kind information today go come. I go see come media. Bros, we know the rest too. But the number seki I go not be always to pursue am alone. We go bring am to justice. Not be always to go to Lagos alone. We go bring am to justice. God number seki. God will go face justice for a dollar. God will, for you to say he want to kill Osomole, for you to say he want to kill Osage Izeyamu, for you to say you want to destroy the Koni Kabaka, the Sapawano Mole, the Mariame, the Sansi. They be make people that really fight. Those Ishasad, Isako, those demon wine them. When they stand, may PCT stand. When we were dola dia Godwin, we may call we maro wa do vio. Age, I dash when I'm lao. I when I'm here we bona. No we the mofi no be dash ale. Iga is a view bone. Oya to boy egbe wa be ase. Unless our finu we here, our de be do we le do ayama for the next level. If not, my time where don't know, actually bego, don't know, actually bego, we go tell him. Elvi, we go tell Godwin, and we go tell him members, knowing you're very there, not do I sort of do media. God bless you, everyone. Voice of Justice. I'm going to leave this media for now, so that I will go and prepare for these idiots that call himself Edimofi Dausa and his squad plus Agranoma Beer Godwin Noviago Niraka betrayed do. Thank you very much. God bless you everyone. Wow,